Hi all, welcome to another Cryptic Indian video, and today's video is about buying SafeMoon to get the daily airdrops. So if we quickly go to SafeMoon's official site, which I have open on my screen right now, here we can see that if I go to this buy now option, it says or SafeMoon's website itself recommends buying it on PancakeSwap or using Trust Wallet. So we do have a couple of Indian exchanges where you can buy SafeMoon, but they will not guarantee the daily airdrops, at least not regularly. So what is this daily airdrop? Let me go back to this previous screen. Now if I scroll down, I can see this particular section which says automatic LP. Every trade contributes towards automatically generating liquidity that goes into multiple pools used by exchanges. It simply means that a 10% fee is deducted from every SafeMoon trade, and out of this 10%, 5% goes to the liquidity pool and 5% goes to the existing holders. So if you are holding a considerable amount of SafeMoon on Trust Wallet, you can see your SafeMoon coins growing every second. It's kind of a reward for holding the coin. So let's not wait any longer and move ahead with this video. So before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps us grow. So our first task is going to be buying some BNB token. If you already have BNB token, well and good, but if you don't have, WazirX is going to be our best bet to buy BNB in India because transferring BNB coins from WazirX to Binance is absolutely free. So what I'll do is I'll buy some BNB coins and then I'll try to transfer them from WazirX to BNB, and then I'll going to transfer those BNB coins from Binance to our Trust Wallet. So in order to transfer your coins from WazirX to Binance, you have to select transfer to Binance option from the top of your screen and you will get a pop-up like this. And here first you have to select the coin that you want to transfer. In this case it is BNB. So I've selected Binance coin, and in this amount section either you can enter manually or you can simply select 100%, because in this case I want to transfer all the available BNB coins, which would be 0.035. And once you have entered the amount of coin, you can click on transfer to Binance option. Now you will be prompted with this pop-up where it will ask you to enter the OTP. Let me wait for this OTP. Now once I've entered the OTP, I'll click on authenticate and fund transfer successfully. Yeah. So I am on Trust Wallet BNB screen and I'm going to receive, so I'll click on receive and I'll copy the address. Now that I've copied, I'll move back to Binance Wallet and here I'll click on deposit. Alright, so in this particular screen, in the address field, you paste the address that you have copied from Trust. The network will get selected automatically. In case it doesn't, you have to select BEP2 manually. We don't need a memo for transferring BNB, but yeah, you can make sure. Now it's written no memo required. In the amount field, it has a minimum amount threshold and the amount you can enter as per your discretion. In my case, I'll transfer 0.035 BNB, so I have selected max. Alright, I'll click on submit. And in the final confirm order screen, you can click on confirm button. Alright, so my withdrawal request is awaiting approval, and here I can see a withdrawal request submitted message which says that I have initiated a withdrawal of 0.035 BNB. And if I go to the BNB wallet in Binance, I can see one withdrawal request which is in processing state. So now I am on my Trust Wallet BNB screen and let me quickly refresh it. So yeah, after the deduction of the transfer fee, I have received 0.0345 BNB today. So now that I have received my BNB, I have to swipe it to BSC. To do that, I'll select more and then I'll select swap to smart chain, and on the swap screen, you can enter the amount of BNB that you want to swap. In this case, I'll enter 0.0345, or else you can select it as percentage. Let me select 100%. Now if I click on swap button, I'll go to the confirmation screen, and here you can see this network fee. So you have to make sure that you have enough network fee to cover this swap. Now to ensure that I have enough network fee, let me just go back and change this. I'll reduce it to 0.03045. Click on swap. All right, this may not work. Let me further reduce it and click on swap again. And this time it might work. Let me click on send. And yes, my swap got successfully completed. So here's my total BSC after swapping, including some change from earlier. So now we have to add SAFEMOON as a custom token. To do that, click on the toggle icon on the top right corner, search for SAFEMOON, click on add custom token, and in this particular screen you have to paste in the contract address, the name, type in the symbol and the decimals. These details I'll put in the description, or you can refer a video which I earlier created on how to add custom tokens using Trust Wallet. Now once you have added, click on done. Make sure that the slider is enabled and your token will be added to the home screen. Now we are going to access the Defi exchange. To do that, we'll click on DApps. Let's select PancakeSwap, and here you can see that your wallet is not yet connected. So you have to click on connect button, select Trust Wallet, and you can read all of these and then click on connect button again. And you will see that your wallet got connected. Your BNB balance will get displayed, and now what we are going to do is we are going to search for SAFEMOON. All right, so we'll select SAFEMOON, and this is the important part. So you can see it's written on bold that your slippage tolerance needs to be set at 12%. So we're going to do that. To change the slippage tolerance, simply click on settings. On settings screen, you can manually set the slippage percentage. It is recommended at 12, but 11 would just work fine. I keep it at 11. Come out of the screen and you can see the slippage set at 11. Now you again select SAFEMOON. You can read all of this, or you can simply click on I understand and then continue. All right. So now comes the buying part. I have my BNB, I swapped them, I have my SAFEMOON added, and I have set the slippage at 12%. So you can either buy with the amount of BNB, or you can directly put the number of SAFEMOON coins that you want to buy. Now I have set the amount of BNB at 0.0315711, and I tried to buy it. I clicked on confirm swap. Now I'll get this error message. Now this is an important part. Take a note of this. So we are getting this error because we may not have taken into consideration the transaction fee that is required in BNB. So what we are going to do is we are going to dismiss this. So let's try to reduce down the amount of BNB that we are using for this particular swap. This is only because it requires some BNB to cover the transaction fee. So make sure that you're not using the entire amount, I mean your entire balance. You keep some as a spare to cover this transaction fee. Okay, we got the error once more. So we might have to reduce it down further. What I can do is I can use 0.025 or something around it. And one more thing I'm going to check is whether my slippage is at 12%. I think it's at 11% as of now. Yeah, it's at 11%. So I'm going to increase it to 12. Confirm swap. So yeah, error. Alright, so the slippage of 11% is not working. So let me try to change this to 12. And let me try to buy SAFEMOON worth 0.0255 BNB this time. I'll click on confirm swap. Alright, so this time there's no issue. I can click on approve. So it says transaction has been submitted, and you can view the transaction details on BSC scan, or you can simply close it. Alright, so my swap is successful. What I will do is I will close this, go back to my home screen, and here click on SafeMoon and refresh it, and you can see that alright, it got changed from 83 million to 85 million. So I received something more than 2 million and some change. So let me refresh it again. Yeah, you can see that my coins keep on increasing. This is because of the airdrop. So as said, 5% goes to liquidity pool, 5% to the existing holders.